Hi, I want to welcome you to the section SwiftUI Spring Animations Beyond the Basics. This section serves as a Spring animation playground in SwiftUI. In this section, we will learn about all the Spring animation parameters available for the various kinds of Spring animations in SwiftUI. After watching all the videos in this section, you will be able to use all the Spring animation parameters with confidence and design animations that have natural feel, look delightful and playful. We will start by animating with default parameters available for the various Spring animations in SwiftUI. Then we go through each of the various parameters. For example, we will look at how to make an object heavier and make it fall as if it is a stone falling from a cliff. We will also look at how to make an object very hard to move. Next, we will look at how to create animations that have bounciness, like what you see in this video. We will also look at how to create inertia animations, like the momentum scrolling you see on iOS devices. This section has a lot of animations to help you understand in detail Spring animations in SwiftUI, so you can become a student of the SwiftUI animation course on Udemy. To learn more about this section, SwiftUI Spring Animations Beyond the Basics.